Hey guys, Dan Durant here. I hope you're doing fantastic. I just wanted to share with you something that came across my desk. This is a piece of news and it's kind of important. Well, there is a critical exploit in MediaTek Wi-Fi chipsets. This is a zero-day vulnerability, meaning that it doesn't have to be user interacted, or the user doesn't have to click on anywhere. It is CVE 2024-2017 and it is a CVSS of 9.8. Now, it's extremely important for you to pay attention to this and see whether you have these devices, because this is kind of wild. So this happened on September 19, 2024. However, there are a few things I want you to be aware of. The first one is that there are POCs available on this. So here on the Sonic Wall blog, you can see here that there's 4 ways to exploit this bug. And then the researcher that is doing this goes into more details in terms of what it is, what's the root cause analysis, and into the exploitation. So there's a RIP hijack via corrupt return address on the code that could turn a buffer overflow and get RCE into these devices. And then there's another option here, exploit 2, arbitrary code write via pointer corruption. And then this is all low-level code inside of this chipset, so it is embedded device code that can be exploited on right on the kernel. Exploit number 3, which is return address corruption, arbitrary write into it. And number 4 is a WAX 206 return address corruption plus arbitrary point corruption. So these buffer overflows are pretty critical. This is one of the reasons why I want you to be aware of this, because there are POCs available. Also, it is a 9.8 CVSS, so it's pretty urgent that you fix these devices. And it is a 0-click. Basically, the user doesn't have to interact with the device. This can be remotely executed. Now, there are multiple vendors. The first one is Ubiquiti. So if you have any Ubiquiti Wi-Fi devices, make sure that you go to the Ubiquiti website to get the bulletins and how to mitigate or remediate these issues. Also, Xiaomi smartphones. So if you have any Xiaomi smartphones, I know here in Canada and the States, we don't use too much Xiaomi. And then also Netgear, and that one is a huge one. So this is getting into consumer grade Wi-Fi routers and stuff. So there you have it. You make sure you fix these vulnerabilities, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.